Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically rediscover your all-time listens from the day you have your Spotify account, I guess. So this is for Spotify's 20th year anniversary, I think. And basically, it's just going to be on your homepage and you're just going to click on it. And then this will pop up. It will say, please join us for the party of your year. Step back in time to celebrate your first listens and all-time hits. Tap to begin. So it says, your first day on Spotify was 14th January 2021. Let's party. And then press the next skip button. Since then, you've listened to 3,038 songs. Make some noise. Next gift. And then it's 2021. Which song was your first ever listen? I think it was Hypnotize. I did guess that correctly. And just ignore the song at the bottom, please. Your first song on Spotify was Hypnotize. From the first play to the date, you listened to this 22 times. Sorry, I'm trying to read and it's very small. Your all-time most streamed artist is none other than Taylor Swift. Of course, I've spent 10,000 minutes with her. And one more thing. What is this? Your all-time top songs. Keep the party going with your all-time greatest hits. I saved it to my library and you can see it later. I did put it in, at the end of this video on what it looks like. And here you can basically share the pages. You can either download it or you can just post it on Instagram. I usually just post mine on Instagram, but you can share it and you can download it. There's the most streamed artist, there's the first song you listen to, and there are those two combined. So I think I just did those two and uploaded it to my Instagram. So you can do that. There's other pages as well. I don't know how to explain it. There's other posts as well. You can also change the color, but I forgot to change mine. And then here is the playlist, so you can kind of see the songs that you how many times you played that specific song, I guess. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!